Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some exciting news for all you Ubuntu enthusiasts out there. Ubuntu 24.04 LTS is finally here, and along with it, we've got updates on all the official Ubuntu flavors. So let's dive right in, shall we? Alright, so alongside the main release, we've got new versions of some of the most beloved Ubuntu flavors, including Kubuntu, Xubuntu, and Ubuntu Cinnamon. But hey, that's not all. We've got a lot to cover, so let's get started with a rundown of the key features and changes in these flavors. Now, before we get into the specifics, it's important to note that all these flavors share the same foundational footprint as the main release. However, some features like the Flutter-based OS installer and the Snap-centric App Center may not be available in all flavors. And here's a little tidbit for those who love their long-term support releases. Ubuntu flavors get 3 years of ongoing support compared to the 5 years that the main edition receives. It's a small difference, but definitely something to keep in mind. So what's new in these flavors? Well, a whole lot, especially if you're coming from the 22.04 builds. Each flavor brings its own set of updates and improvements, so let's break it down, starting with Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Kubuntu comes with the KDE Plasma May 27th 11 desktop environment, along with the latest KDE gear and KDE frameworks. And if you're into education, Ubuntu has got you covered with Genome 46 and some handy new meta packages. Next up, we've got Lubuntu 24.04 LTS, featuring the LXQT1 4.0 desktop environment. Plus, they've added some cool new utilities like a Snap Monitor tool and Redshift Qt for blue light reduction. Ubuntu Unity 24.04 LTS brings back the classic Unity 7.7 desktop environment, now with the Calamares installer. And for those who love the Cinnamon desktop, Ubuntu Cinnamon 24.04 LTS is here with the latest Cinnamon 6.0.4, offering a more traditional Ubuntu experience. Moving on to Ubuntu Budgie 24.04 LTS. They've updated to Budgie September 1st 10 and made some improvements to their Welcome app. And for the fans of Ubuntu Kylin, you'll find a few tweaks to their custom desktop environment. Xubuntu, my personal favorite. Xubuntu 24.04 LTS brings the XFCE 4.18 desktop environment, along with some handy additions like Gudabi and the Snap-based firmware updater. Now, if you're itching to get your hands on these flavors, we've got you covered with the download links in the description below. So, make sure to check them out and give these flavors a spin. And hey, if you're a fan of any of these flavors, don't forget to drop a comment down below and let us know what you think of the latest release. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy computing!